Well, the program that will calculate the factorial of a given number in C++. So let's start by creating a new project. Click on console application, typing the name Factorial. Saving the project, saving the main file. Let's start using namespace std. First of all, we'll go with a short description of the program. Factorial of any given number is equivalent to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, etc. Or mathematically we can say that n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, etc. And n minus 1, to calculate the n minus 1 factorial, is equal to n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. This process will go so and so so. Now we will find how to calculate the given number is, let's suppose num. We will take the input in this number, cout, enter, enter the number, sin num. When this input is come into the number, we will use this number to calculate its factorial. For this process, we will use a special variable because the factorial is the product of all predecessor numbers from the given number. So that we are going to save the product of this number into another variable. The initialization is done by assigning a value 1 to the f. This is the variable that will use to hold the product of each and entire successive numbers for the factorial. Because the mathematical product identity is 1, that's why we will initialize it with 1. So let's start for int I is equal to 1, I is less than num, I plus plus, f is equal to f multiplied by I. Here is the formula that is used to calculate the factorial. F is equal to f multiplied by I. What is I? I will start from the 1. Let's suppose here is 1 dot 0. I will start from the 1 and goes to up to the number n. The same logic we have right here. I will goes from 1 to number. What will it do? It will product all entire numbers in the iterations. At the end we will set at cout tutorial of num is equal to f. So that compile this code. What it will say is compilation processes continue. Oh, this is done. So run this command program, enter the number. We set at 3. F is equal to f multiplied by I. I is less than or equal to, because this number is also included. We will go to the f is less than or equal to. Now equal to sign will also use. Here is the small mistake taken by me. Okay, compile it again and run it again. We write here 3. The factorial of 3 is 6. We can clearly see that. We compile, run it again. Factorial of 5 is 25. 5 into 4 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 120. Okay, so nice. Here we will go to the code again. There is the complete logic. Because why this is the complete logic? Because you will see that what is the factorial of 5? This will equivalent to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Or we can say simply that in programming logic 1 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This can be implemented with the help of iteration. Here is the code. This variable is used to hold product result. This is used to hold input of number, and this is the complete process for factorial calculation. Okay, so nice of you.